Hello, this is Angela Herring. I'm a student at Liberty University, and I'm going to be speaking about screencasting software. So first we're going to speak about the background and meaning of screencasting software. So screencasting, the term was coined by John Udall in 2004. It is a way to present digitally recorded backplay of computer screen output, which often contains an auto narration, and to visually demonstrate instruction or materials to students. It is also just simply put, it is just desktop recording, screen recording of your computer, which also includes, it could be gameplay recording, it can be a lesson being recorded. The user just uses their screencasting software and it captures anything on their computer screen. And then it also has some video editing software as well. Some of the other names that are known other than screencasting are online tutorials, screen captures, and streaming desktop video captures. Screencasts are a familiar tool used on the internet for a wide variety of training and instruction. Not only is it used in the educational field, it's used throughout many industries. Now, the next thing I'm going to speak about is 3 different screencasting software companies. Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using at the moment, is the one I'm familiar with. Now, the Screencast-O-Matic has the screencasting tool, which has a built-in editor. It comes both in free and premium options. With the paid version, it offers more advanced capabilities. If you're looking for just the free type, the Screencast-O-Matic will give you control of the whole screen capture a part or all of your screen. It gives you that option. You can add and adjust the size of your webcam on screen, include narration, auto, and stop music and captions, trim the start to the end of your recordings. There's also where you can narrate your custom videos. Editing, Screencast-O-Matic has the editing option where you can do overlays such as videos, text, shapes, and images, which are all for free. With the premium option, when you pay, it provides animations, effects such as green screen, automated captions, music library, and there's even more included in that. Options for providing feedback once you put out your lesson or your meeting, or such as this, a presentation, there's the option of the feedback from the viewers. You can also share knowledge with using Screencast-O-Matic and video sharing, and you can use it during virtual meetings. You could take a screenshot when you're doing your presentation, your lesson or meeting, and it's also has the capability of being uploaded directly to YouTube and Google Drive. The next screencasting software is Loom. This is one I've heard of as well. I'm not as familiar with Loom as I am with the Screencast-O-Matic. Like I said, I've used that one multiple times for lessons and for school projects such as this. Loom does record your screen, and it also has the capability of using your webcam as well while recording. You can use it on the desktop. They have mobile app options, and they also have the Chrome extension. They also provide a free option, or you can pay for the product, which they have 3 plans: the Pro, the Business, and the Enterprise. With the free version, which is mainly what I would use at the moment for being a student, you can do their screen or cam recording like a cam bubble. And then they provide some editing options, some things like that, just a few options. You can record either the whole screen or just a tab. And this is a great option for corporate work, helping teams quickly communicate with each other and clients. So this is also available as meetings, like virtual meetings and live meetings. Now, the Open Broadcaster software is something that I have never heard of actually until I started doing some research and actually working on the paper we wrote and looking into some websites. I found the Open Broadcaster software. This is the most popular and known free screencasting software. It has a collection of powerful features, gives anyone from like beginners that are new to screencasting software, they're able to use it, pretty much navigate it pretty simple, some step-by-step instructions on their website. And then professionals, I mean, there's people that have been using screencasting software for years that go and use Open Broadcaster software. You can capture audio and video, and it's also available to be used for live streaming. You can create scenes that consist of window captures, images, text, the brother windows, multiple windows on your computer, webcam footage, and more. You can set up and utilize unlimited number of scenes, so you can create films, video captures, and things like that, and constantly add scenes. There's an unlimited number of scenes. They do have the audio mixer and studio mode, which is something that, like the studio mode for editing, they actually have a section that's called their studio mode for that. They also provide the usage and the capability of using their Open Broadcaster software for screen capturing through Windows, Mac, and Linux, which Linux is a free-based web type software. So selecting a screencasting software for your usage, the best tips that I could give is, number one, is it easy to use? Because if you're new at it, you need to find something that has some step-by-step instructions, maybe some tutorials, something that's simple and easy to take advantage of. Is it accessible? Are you able to do the step-by-steps? Are you able to complete some lessons or videos or live stream? And are you able to provide it to all of your students or all of your teammates? Is it accessible? Is it affordable? Is it something that's free and provides these things such as the Open Broadcaster software or the Screencast-O-Matic, which provides many options for their free platform? Does it meet the needs or the goals of the user? That's another main point, is taking the software and using it. Does it meet your goal or your need for your class or for your presentation or your meeting? And also, does it provide a variety of options? Do they provide editing? Do they provide audio mixing? Are there images and text, or are there templates to use? Is there a variety of options? And also, is it flexible? Is it not something you just have to do one template or one type of screencasting and that's it? Is there a flexibility to their software? So that's the main takeaway that I have found with researching and viewing different options for screencasting software are these tips right here. And there's my list of references that most of my sources did come from, and the information from the Influence Marketing Hub. Also, there was the Open Broadcasting software and Loom. And then I did find some things in a book called Examining Anatomy of a Screencast, Uncovering Common Elements and Instructional Strategies. An article, and they also have a textbook on this. So I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and thank you so much.